Gorilla stomping in a zoo.
Hello YouTube, this is Crazy Dick and I'm back. This came out, I think, 2 days ago. I didn't do a reaction on it yet. Or a review. Fairy Tail 100 Year Quest, Chapter 14. What is it called? Rain and Shadow. The cover is a Christmas-themed one. With Natsu happy and Lucy on the back. And Natsu is movement sickness. Has movement sickness on the sleigh. Delivering presents. Okay, the ship is up on the rock. What's going on? Elsa's gone? Did she run away? I have not run. I will not hide. I will pay you back for this shame I have endured. That's what Fairy Tail does. The spell's been broken? I can reduce by half the strength of any magic I receive through my eyes. You're a fool for not taking advantage of the chance you had while I was sleeping. While you were sleeping? That wouldn't have been very much punishment, would it? Did you do this? Nope. Don't know why the boat stopped, but now that it has, we can move freely. And the seal stone? Urza took it off. I suggest not taking her so lightly. My. I should never have kept prisoners like you alive for so long. I should have just turned you into corpses. Fire, dragon, roar! My ash will turn even flame to ash. Normally that happens only after everything's been burned up though. My fire disappeared. Foo. That's not fair. Natsu, my magic might work better against him. Sky dragons? Wave riser. Yeah, wind might actually work decent. Huh? The ash is blowing away. Now Natsu. Yeah. That's a way to beat the ash dragon slayer. What's going on? I'll eat these fools up right now. I swear it on my dragon eater name. Magnolia. Thank you? Don't worry about it. What'd you do? She's terrified. I'm pretty sure she just thanked me, but... Are you okay? Did he do anything to you? No. We'll tell Laxus a thing or two. Oi. Draw. This ring is really something, though. Here's a towel if you need it. Do you still suspect her? She just smirked in a creepy way. You're one to talk. I heard something ago that there's a terrifying woman here who can command the rain. Here in this guild. Or you mean Juvia? Yeah, that was a long time ago. Honestly, it was before we even joined. You seem kind of damp, I suppose. Why you? Knock it off, Tonka. As a member of our guild, I'll protect you. But as a member of our guild, I think there are some things you need to tell us about. Everyone's got a few secrets, I understand, and I won't force you to say anything. You don't want to. But if you're hiding something that's dangerous to the guild, you can't be part of the family anymore. I think I'll go home for today. Back to Urza versus... I can't think of her name. She's a dragon here, I don't know her name. I like you when you're groveling at my feet, but I like this rebellious side of you too. What's the matter? Weren't you going to punish me? She's strong. No, duh. what of yours shall I cut next? Your sense of shame might be interesting. I've already figured out your little hypnotism. The weakness of hypnotism type magic is understanding. It doesn't work on those who know it's coming. Or how about cutting away the feelings for the one you love? Not that. You. You look so cute when with your face all red like that, huh? Not letting her get off lightly. Concentrate. Besides, the one I love, I don't. It's not Jalal. Creek. How many pages? 21 pages. I was like, we got 20 pages. I thought it was going to be like 19 pages, something. Well, it'd be at least a little bit longer because these are usually short chapters anyways. Like, I'm already at 6 minutes and we have to. I never expected you to come find me yourself, Tonka, the White Witch. So you know who I am then. I've investigated you thoroughly. Then that makes matters easier. Get out of my way. Tonka, the White Witch, pays Drawl a visit. What is her true identity? So you know who I am then. Get out of my way. Fairy Tail versus Dragon Ears. The fierce battle continues next issue. So, Tonka just threatened Joel, so... But she does have the power of the god, the water god dragon. So, she will be more powerful than Jalal. Everybody was surprised when Laxus kind of said, "Oh, if you have something that's dangerous to all of us, then you can't be part of the family anymore." I think I'll go home. Everybody's confused about that, but Gajiel is the most. He's been on to her for a while now, so. Otherwise, 9 out of 10 chapter. I'm hoping Tonka versus Jalal next chapter. Otherwise, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, if you ever already subscribe to the channel, recommend subscribe to the channel, keep on content. Otherwise, this is my best screen to get sign off. Have a good day, have a good afternoon, have a good night, wherever you are. Just have a good day. Hopefully I see you guys next video. And peace, but oh my god. Very good. I believe Gajiel will eventually find out what Tonka is about. But we did get a furry moment between Levy and Gajiel again. You're one to talk. But otherwise, like I said, thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully I see you guys next video. Peace.